Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt starter culture at home. First, select a plain yogurt that clearly states it contains live active cultures. This is crucial for a successful starter. Next, sterilize all your tools, including jars and any utensils you will use, to prevent unwanted bacteria from growing. Finally, gently heat 1 liter of fresh milk to a precise temperature of 110 to 115 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it is warm but not too hot for the cultures. Now, carefully add 2 tablespoons of your selected starter yogurt into the warmed milk. Stir this mixture gently until it is well combined, but avoid overmixing. Then, pour the inoculated milk into your prepared, sterilized jars, leaving about 1 inch of space at the top of each jar. Place these jars in an environment where they can maintain a steady temperature of 110 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 6 to 8 hours, allowing the cultures to work their magic. After the incubation period, gently check your yogurt for firmness. It should be set and have a pleasant, slightly tangy aroma. Once it has reached this consistency, transfer the jars to the refrigerator. Chilling the yogurt for at least 4 hours will effectively stop the fermentation process, preventing it from becoming too sour. Remember to reserve 2 to 3 tablespoons of this freshly made yogurt to use as the starter for your very next batch. For the best results, consider using whole milk, which typically yields a thicker and creamier yogurt. If you prefer a lighter option, skim milk works too. It is crucial to avoid moving or disturbing the yogurt during its incubation period, as this can interfere with the setting process. Finally, to ensure your starter remains potent and active, it is a good practice to refresh it with a new store-bought yogurt every 5 to 7 batches, keeping your homemade yogurt consistently delicious.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.